Hello everyone, this is Rafi once again. Welcome back. So recently I have been very busy with my client's project and I had to travel a bit as well. This is the reason I was not been able to upload new lessons on our freelancing with WordPress and Elementor, but here I am back, and so far we have got 16 lessons, and currently we are making beautiful web pages using Elementor and WordPress. And now in this video I'm going to review some of the projects you have shared on our dedicated Facebook group which I have created for this specific service, freelancing with WordPress and Elementor. So let me take you to our Facebook group from here, freelancing with WordPress and Elementor. If I click here, and after that here are the works that you guys have shared. As you can see, I am seeing from Patrick Morage, who shared this project which he have done by watching our step-by-step lessons, and I'm so glad to see your work, Patrick. Thank you so much for sharing your practice work with us. And as you can see here, practice work part 1 and 2, thanks for teaching us. You are always welcome, and everyone is welcome. Thank you so much for following the tutorials, and I'm so glad to see your work, Patrick. So thanks for teaching us how to edit with Elementor. Looking forward to the next lesson. Obviously I'm going to upload new lessons soon. So here is its work. So it doesn't matter how it is looking like, but I am pleased to see that you are working, and obviously you did a great job here as far as I'm being able to see here. Just take a look. He used this shape divider, he used this shape divider. Awesome work, man, awesome work. Thank you, Patrick, again for sharing the work. And this is in the beginning stage, and as we are going to practice a little more, we'll have a professional look on the web page for sure. So no worries, just keep practicing and the skills will be improved. It is going to be real great soon. So let me just cross this out. Let me go here. I'm going to make a comment here. Thank you so much for sharing your Patrick. I appreciate you did the job. Great work. Okay, so thank you so much, Patrick, again. Now let's go for Abul Hasnat brother, who have got this website, and thank you so much. I am featured here. I'm so glad to see that you are using my image. No worries. Here is your message. My practice work, homepage customization with Elementor. Sorry, I didn't ask you permission to use your name, photo and text, but this is purely a demo practice work. I hope you would understand. Obviously no worries with this work. I am so glad you have used my image, you have added one of my course videos. That's not a problem. I appreciate your suggestion about my work. Thanks everybody. Okay, so let me see this page in a new tab. Just take a look. By following the lessons, he have been able to make this beautiful layout. Just take a look. I am so pleased. I am honestly speaking, this was a great job on the customization using Elementor and WordPress. Learn WordPress with Rafi. Thanks a lot, man. And here we have got this shape divider. Then yeah, it's almost looking professional, and if you do few more practice works, you are going to get so close with the goal of making beautiful web pages using Elementor. And so far you have done a real. So thank you so much, Hasnat. I loved the work that you shared. So here we go. Fantastic job. S and A. Let me see. Yeah, Abul. Yeah. So you did a great job, and no worries with the image and information practicing, and you are so close, and you're doing real fantastic job here. And now we have got from MD Ovaidul Haq Listen brother, who also shared his other projects earlier, but now build web page with Elementor part 1 and part 2, I think. Yeah, so this is the first part of this Elementor tutorial, and this is the second lesson, and he followed And here we go. He oops, not this one. This one was from Hasnat brother, but this one, okay, from Avaidul, a nice logo. So this is how we learn. Thanks so much. I'm going to open it up in a new tab. And yeah, hey, this is Lisan. I want to learn Elementor. Awesome, man. Awesome work. Though I'm saying learn is mistaken, but no worries, we are learning, and the things will be more careful on these things for sure. My YouTube account, great job. We have got these header menus, logo is done perfectly, nice logo. Then I have got this customized button, then I have got customized text. Okay, so everything customized. He built this from the scratch. I am being able to understand because by seeing this shape divider, and everyone actually worked manually. That's the greatest thing that I am seeing here. So when you will try it in reality, you are going to learn, you are going to face some troubles, you are going to learn about the options that even I didn't showed you. You will be able to discover few options, discover few parameters of the Elementor usage, and you will be able to learn if you just simply keep practicing. Here we go. Great job with these parts. Awesome. And I'm seeing this my specialty as well. Great job. Now we are going to learn the other parts which we have got after this my specialties section. All right guys, so thanks to listen. Let me type it out. Looking nice, looks good. Keep practicing. Yeah, it's awesome. Awesome. And I am so glad to see you have followed the lessons and been able to build web page using Elementor. Great job. And taser. Okay, now let me take you back to the next person. From Kishan Sheel, I have got it from February 7th. All right, so let me see. I'm seeing some I have also practiced designing the homepage, but I failed in some sections to make look like the original ones, such as I could not create spaces between columns, testimonial, picture box. Okay, so that's a great thing to know that you just written these problems, so I'll be able to cover them up in my future lessons to make it understandable to you how to do these stuffs. And if you can simply mark the parts where you were not being able to make the spaces, it would be more helpful for me to understand. Okay, so I think these spaces, so if we use like margin, they should look nicer. Okay, so I'm going to show you this part for sure in my next lesson. So thank you so much, Kishan, nice job. Okay, so here about the spacing, we have to provide margin. I have shown this part if I am not wrong, but we had to do some work for sure. Okay, so I'll cover this part again to make it, yeah, that this is real nice job, though you missed the border sections or border stuffs, but no worries. If you try again and if you watch the lesson again and try again, you'll be able to build this page properly. And I'm seeing here you have got these shadows, but it's not having the gaps, and we can provide the gaps or add the gaps by using margin. So I'm going to show you the work for sure. Great job. So I really highly appreciate all the works you guys are sharing in our group, and this is really keeping me motivated to upload new lessons, because when I see that people are loving the lessons, some people are learning from the lessons, that's what making me or keeping me motivated to keep uploading new lessons. All right, so great job and thank you so much. Sorry, thank you so much for letting me know about the troubles you're facing with the space between the columns. Okay, columns. If you watch previous lessons, I have covered usage of margin only, but no worries, I will clarify more in coming lessons. Thank you so much again for the nice works. Okay, and then we have got Shibra's bot, and now let me see, design responsive homepage using Elementor. Let me know as well, sir, if any mistaken. Okay, so Shibraj, whatever work you are doing, I would say this is perfect, and this is a real thing that you should do. It doesn't matter how your design is looking like, it doesn't matter if you are making some mistakes, because in the beginning we all make mistakes. Even I still now I make a huge mistake. So no worries about the designs, no worries about the mistakes you might going to make. But if we keep practicing, if we keep trying to learn new skills, if we keep trying to make the works better, you will become better for sure. So no worries about the mistakes. Even if you make, it doesn't matter. If you practice, it will get better for sure. And then I have made, okay, also suggestion will be appreciated, keep practicing, friends. Obviously everyone should practice, and here is your work. And I'm so glad that you tried to make this design in a unique way. This is what everyone should do, right? So just take a look, guys. He added here like a blog layout based post, and it is really a great job. You should know how we can make websites like this, right? And we are going to learn about this in our future lessons. But he is a proactive guy. He already is trying to make them looking a blog site, looking a professional blog site, and this is what highly appreciable, right? So you should also try new ideas. You should try to learn from other resources. You should try to learn how things works like. So thank you so much, Shibraj, for taking and being a kind of proactive here. Thank you so much. And I really love your work. So obviously I'm going to give you a love react. Thank you so much for the extra miles, and I am so glad to see you have tried. Okay, so here I'm seeing Ankur Agarwal, if I am not missing his name. Okay, so he's a great guy though. Anyways, you have tried to make a blog layout and it looks great. Keep practicing and it will become better for sure. Love for the jobs. Okay, so here we go. I'm done with this Shibraj's work, and he did a extra proactive work. I really loved it. And then we have got some question from Muhammad Zaki brother. So hello, hi fellows, hope you are all doing well and enjoy learning. I'm looking for following answers. Question 1, how can I get view of take free course button and its settings? So I'm not being able to understand actually what he asked. Okay, take free course. It should be on the it should be available on your demo import, and after that you have to customize this part. I'm not understanding what you are actually asking here. The highlighter button take free course is not visible even though I have imported the starter pack several times. So it should be appearing on your site. I am not sure, maybe you clicked on some parts while it is being uploaded on your or imported on your WordPress website. So I would suggest you to remove the theme once again and then re-upload the theme on your WordPress website, and then import the demo content and just wait like 2 or 3 minutes while it is being imported, so it will be fully imported on your WordPress website. And if I just notice some of the images, header, button, these are the widget section you are in, available items, button. So these are widget section. You should you can't make changes here for sure because these are the widgets. And logo, primary navigation, you should see a button option like this. Instead of this widget view, you should see a option like this, an option. So I would suggest you to try remove the theme again and then re-upload the theme. And above is a snapshot from the customized setting, is a header. Okay, for the button visible, try text. Okay, the button options are disabled because this is for widgets. Jackie, hi brother, suggest you to remove the theme once again and then re-upload. Beginning and please give it few minutes to get thing exported properly. Hopefully it will resolve issue. Okay, and then we have got from another work from Shibraz Bhatt, practical work of yesterday. Thank you so much, Shibraz. And today design completed a homepage with header and footer. Keep going at sir. Okay, obviously I'm going to go with suggestion, will be highly appreciated. So yeah, okay, so great job again. He changed the background color from here, he changed the layout and changed the logo. I'm seeing he added this divider as well. Okay, and then here some padding would make it look better, and if we can add some borders, and or if we don't add any border, we can simply remove these borders from here, it will look much better, and some padding stuff will work nice here. And after that we want to get, if we can add some, let's say spacings in between these columns, it is going to make it much better. And overall you did a great job here, thank you. So you have learned so far, it's time to practice. Great job, and more practice will make you good. Or actually this will give you into more great and solid works. Keep okay. And after that, if I simply cross this out, let me go to Awaidul Haq listens work. Okay, so this one I have already reviewed. So this was it, guys. So far I am so glad to see all the works you guys have done here on our, actually shared on our dedicated group. If I see here member request, I'm seeing constantly people are joining in the group, people are learning, and this is what making me real happy. And please guys, if you haven't yet shared this course on the social media, on Facebook, Twitter, whatever social media platform you are using, if you haven't yet shared this course, please share the course so that your friends will be able to get benefited as well along with you. And we are almost there, we are learning all the basic stuffs. We have already learned the basic stuffs, but now we are learning the works practically, and you are going to enjoy every lesson for sure. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next lesson, which I'm going to upload soon. And thank you so much again for participating on the group, and I'm so happy to see the works you guys have been doing here and adding on the group. So I want to see more works from you guys, and thank you so much again for joining with me, and have a great day and all the very best. Bye bye.